Do you want to know how you can log into your Zaxby's payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Zaxby's payroll account. Go ahead and open any browser, go to the search bar to search for Zaxby's payroll login, and then click on the second link which says login. And you can see this is your login portal. Go ahead and click login over here, or if you are leaded to Zaxby's official site, you can see login over here as well. Click on it and it will take you to this portal, which you can see that you can log in using your email address. So you can see, if you write down your email address, you can go to the password section and write down your password as well. After you write down your password, go ahead and check on your password once by clicking on this icon, and you can also click keep me logged in, and then you can click login. This way you can successfully log into your Zaxby's payroll account. So if you are new to this and want to create an account, go ahead and click sign up, and if in case you have forgotten your password and want to reset it, this is the link for you. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well.